Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Manychat. So to start, you just have to open any of your web browser and then just have to type out manychat.com and then you'd be redirected to this page. Now let's go to the pricing. And right here, you'll be able to see different plans that you can actually subscribe. So you have the pre plan, you have the pro plan, and the premium plan. Now, if you're just a beginner using ManyChat, then you can go ahead and select the free one. So you just have to click on get started with free and you'll be redirected to this page. Now you just have to select any of this. So for this video, I'm going to use the Instagram for my automation. So you just have to simply click on any of this. So you've got different options. Now just click on that specific social media platforms and you have to connect it with a Facebook. Since Facebook and Instagram is connected, you have to make sure that your Instagram is connected with your Facebook. So you just click on continue with Facebook and then you just have to follow the guide right here. Okay, so you have to log into your Instagram and then you just have to make your personal Instagram to a professional account and allow messaging permissions for Manychat. You just have to click on get started and after that your Instagram creator account is ready. So you just have to click on done and then you'd be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so right here you can go ahead and convert your Instagram comments into sales, use Instagram stories to generate more leads, you can show off your site to new visitors. And now to start, you just have to click on this automation at the left side of your screen. And then right here, you just have to click on the new automation or add new automation at the top right or this one at the center. And then right here, you can use different templates for your automation. But for now, we are going to start from scratch. So you just have to click on this one at the top right of your screen. And again, of course, you can convert your Instagram comments into sales. You can use Instagram stories to generate more leads and you can show off your site to new visitors. So there are two parts of this automation and there are different triggers happening. So we're going to set up the first trigger. So we're going to click on the new option right here. So this is how it looks. You have the new trigger and then you can see here the send message. Now to start, you just have to click on the new trigger option and then just click on this add new triggers. So right here in the triggers, you can choose any of this. You can select user clicks a referral link, you can users click an Instagram ad or user comments on your post or reel. Okay, so for this video we are going to use this user comments on your post or reels. So you just have to click on it and then you just have to select that specific post. For example, I have one post on my Instagram, so you just have to select that and then after that you will then just have to click on continue. Okay, so which post or reel do you want to use in automation? So for example, this one. So after that, you will then just have to click on continue. So you can also select all posts or reels or next post or reel. So of course, you just have to subscribe to a pro plan in order for you to access these features on Manychat. Now just click on continue. And then right here, you will then just have to choose or what will start your DM automation. Okay, so you have to type out right here specific keywords. So comments include this keyword, so you can add as much as you want so that they'll be able to receive your automation. So you have to think of the bigger possibilities of keywords. So for example, your post is about a product or about a website, so you have to make sure that you have typed out all of the keywords that will trigger your automation message. So for example, guide to voucher free sample, so you can add as much as you want related to your post or to your product. Now that you have your keywords, you will then just have to click on continue right here at the bottom. So this is for the post or real comments number 1. And right here you can add or set up public reply in the feed. So you have 3 boxes right here, but you can also add new replies, but at least you are going to type out 3 random multiple replies right here, so you can proceed to the next process. So for example, for the first one, send the link to over. So when someone comments on your post, they will receive this reply in the comment section. Okay, so you just have to type it out right here, and then after that, just have to click on save. So now that we are done with our step 1, let's proceed to the step 2 of this automation. So we're going to click on this Instagram send message option right here. So let me just close this section and then click on this Instagram send message, and this is where we're going to type the message that it is going to be sent to this person in their DMs when they comment that specific word on your post. So I just clicked on this add a text. So I just click on this one right here and clicked on add a text. And then you will then just have to type out right here your reply message. Okay, so this will be the message that will be sent to their DMs after they commented a specific word or keywords on your post. Okay, so for example, good day, thank you so much for your interest. So to get a voucher, kindly fill out this form and follow the detailed instructions provided in the form. Good luck. Now you can add a button right here. So for example, you would want them to open your website. So you just clicked on the open website option, and do not forget to type out right here your URL. Okay, so you have to paste right here URL, and you have to rename this button. So let me just paste here our website, and then after that you will then just have to click on done. And if you want to add a title for your button, so you can do that as well. Now the automation is set, so when a user comments on a post or reel, and again we might have to come in here and select a specific post after we've posted it, then an automatic direct message is going to be sent with a message text that we've set up and the link for someone to click on to learn more. Now once this is all set up correctly, so we're going to say set live, and we're going to see here that the trigger was activated so that when somebody goes and comments on the specific post, this message is going to be sent. So yes, we have the setup correctly, and your first Manychat automation is ready to go now. So let me just set this to live first, and we'll try if this automation is working. So we just clicked on the set live at the top right of your screen, and your automation will be set to live. So let me just use my other Instagram account and go to that specific post. Now I'm going to type it right here, some of the keywords. So for example, tool. And when I go back to my newsfeed and check my notifications, as you can see, I received a reply from that post. So when you go here and check that comment of yours, and then be able to hear the reply. Now go to your message, and you'll be able to see here the message that has been sent to you from that specific Instagram account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.